What's up, everyone? Welcome back. I got all the forged carbon parts put back on the car. Just got them back from Hydro Dip about 2 weeks ago, and I finally got everything back on the car. I also got my buddy Ryan and Alan here for their reaction, trying to see what they think about it. I've shown them pictures of it, haven't gotten their full reaction in person, even though I've been driving the car around. They haven't gotten a chance to see it. All right, guys, before we get started, you know what to do. Hit that like, hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and leave a comment. Go comment on every single video if you can. It does not matter what you put. Just help us grow this channel and help us get this algorithm going. All right, boys, what's your thoughts? You guys see it all put together now. I finally got everything installed.
Well, initially when you sent me those pictures of what it looked like, I was having my doubts. I didn't want to tell you, I didn't want to break your heart. I know you put a lot of money, a lot of effort, and a lot of time into this. But seeing in person, looking at the side skirts, looking at the front lip, looking at the front vents, the fin, everything about it, it actually looks much better than I expected. And I think the best part of all of this is actually the interior. I'm not gonna say much, I just rather have Mod show you guys what it looks like, but I think it's the best part of the build actually.
All right. So when Mod first told me about this idea, I wasn't for it, but Mod does whatever he does. So he went for it. It did turn out better than I thought, but we'll talk about what he's gonna do later on. Because I like that idea more.
We got some more ideas flowing now that we got a group here. We got some different changes we might do.
So like I was saying, the blue matches really well with little details on the car, the interior seats, the steering wheel, the calipers, this little blue on the F logo. And the guy captured it really fucking well. Honestly, I thought it wasn't gonna come out good at all, but it did.
Y'all had you had no faith in me, man. No faith in my idea. All you guys doubted this.
But like I said, like Ryan said, honestly, the interior looks way better, flows better, and Mod just got big plans. That's all I gotta say.
Alright, boys, you guys saw the B-roll, showed you guys most of the exterior, but let me give you guys a closer look at the interior, because this is where all the magic is, man. Interior looks way better, especially even this door seal emblem right here. This is honestly one of my favorite parts, because with the Lexus logo, it came out looking sick. So when it comes to the interior, boys, we went extremely detailed. I did everything I possibly could. The door right here, around the window trim, and the glove box trim was originally, because of the 10th anniversary, it was blue carbon fiber. And I ended up getting plastic covers over it. So the blue carbon fiber is still under there. I didn't get rid of that. Don't get pissed at me. I got some plastic covers, put on top of this, put on top of this, and put on the top of this, and just got those Hydro Dipped. But everything else is the original OEM parts, Hydro Dipped. I took apart this whole car. You guys saw that. We gutted everything. Pedal shifters, music volume buttons, around the freaking shift knob, cup holders, even the back console box and cup holders. I got all that done. We even got the harness straps done, man, on both seats. I went 100% detailed. Every tiny thing that could possibly get Hydro Dipped, I did it. And according to everybody else, this is their favorite part of all the Hydro Dip, man. Scale to 1 to 10, Alan. What do you give the outside? What do you give the inside?
Exterior is definitely like a 6. Inside's a 9.
6? You gonna be that harsh on it, man?
Yeah, it's a 6, bro. I'm sorry.
Ryan, what do you got?
I would agree. I'd give the outside maybe a 5 to 6. But the inside, I'll give it an 8. It's well done. It's just not for me, you know, so this is definitely a subjective opinion. I gave it 8 because it just looks so nice and professionally done. But if it wasn't about the details, I could definitely give this something like a 7 in interior.
You guys drop down what you guys rate it. Put it in the comments. Honestly, I'm gonna be serious. They're being harsh, but I'm gonna be a little harsher. And I kind of agree with Ryan. I'm gonna go maybe a 5 on the exterior. Other than the wing, I'm not too huge of a fan. I like the wing. I love it. I mean, the wing came out amazing, and he even kind of faded it back on the background right here. So when you look at it from afar, it looks blue right here and then fades into black. But when it comes to the diffuser, I don't know, boys. It's just a little bit more blue than I wanted. I wasn't expecting so much blue. I kind of wanted more black, more forged black look, and just a tiny subtle hint of blue. Like I said earlier, guys, when we were talking with Alan, I have some ideas on how to make it better, and I already got the supplies in, ready to go. We got 1 month till SEMA, about a month and 1 week. It's the end of September right now. So anything I'm gonna do, need to get moving on it quick before SEMA, but I'm not taking this car back to SEMA again unless I'm 100% satisfied with it. And at the moment, with the Blue Forge Carbon, I'm maybe at a 60 or 70. So they're not being too harsh on the car. I kind of agree with them a little bit. Interior is amazing. I'm not changing that. Exterior, I might come up with something different, something new. I've only seen a few people on Instagram doing it so far, but give it a try and do it myself. To show you guys the harness bar. I got the harness straps already from Braum. I haven't been able to install them because I hadn't gotten this installed yet. That is the next video coming up. I already got the car kind of taken apart a little bit on the passenger side, but harness bar looks sick with the Blue Forge Carbon. Like we said, everything in the interior is pretty much almost flawless. It's the exterior that needs some work, right?
Yeah, definitely a lot of work. Definitely think you got your work cut out for you this next month.
I definitely do got my work cut out for me, but we're gonna make it happen. It's SEMA, we gotta go big. And Alan just reminded me that I forgot to show you guys the engine bay. I did all the plastic in the engine bay, everything except this little vent right here. Everything in the engine bay got hydro dipped, and engine bay also looks pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, I could have went a little bit above and beyond on this one, but I tried to keep it in the middle ground. Did all the outer trim, did the engine bay or engine cover along with the bars and all the other plastic, but left some things here and there the way they were. All right, boys, that's pretty much it for this video. There is one more thing. All that's left before SEMA is to get a custom trunk setup for the bags. Still looking basic. That's the only thing left that I haven't customized yet. Let me know down below. Throw some ideas in the comments. I have no idea what I want to do with that. So many people get so creative with it. I just don't want to do anything basic and regret it. So let me know if you guys got any ideas, and I'll definitely take them under consideration. Thanks for watching, boys. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you guys thought about the car, what you think I should do for the trunk setup. Say goodbye, boys.
Adios.